Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today we will see a Python script to parse Nginx log files. So as you know, Nginx is a widely used web server known for its performance and reliability, and its logs can provide valuable insights into web traffic and server performance, which makes them a crucial resource for system administrators and developers. So what we will do, we will see a Python script that processes these Nginx log files, extracts the key information from them, and writing it to a CSV file for further analysis. So first, let's see the prerequisites. You should have an AWS account with Ubuntu 24.04 EC2 instance up and running. Then you should have a basic knowledge of Python. So let's move with the practical. Our first step is installing Python and Nginx. So first, update the package list. So let's copy this command and paste it. Now our package list is updated. So next, let's install the Python and pip. So copy this command and paste it. Yes. Next, we will install the Nginx. Nginx is also installed. So let's verify it. Let's check for the status of Nginx. As you can see, Nginx is active and running. Now our next step is write a Python script to parse Nginx logs. So for that, we will first create a file to write a script. Here I am using the nano text editor to write the file, and file name is parse nginx logs.py. Now inside this file, we will write the script. So let's just copy and paste it. So this is the Python script to parse nginx logs. This script reads the logs files, extract the relevant fields, and writes the information to the CSV file. Here, first we are importing the necessary libraries such as argparse for command line argument parsing, then CSV for writing the CSV files. Then we are also importing RE for regular expressions, then globe for file matching. Then we are also importing the datetime for date manipulation, OS for file system operations, and gzip for reading the compressed files. Then next, we are defining the regular expression for log parsing. Here, regular expression pattern line format is defined. It is defined to match the standard format of Nginx log entries. Then next is function definitions. Here we are defining the format byte function. This formats a number of bytes into a human readable string with appropriate units like B, PB, NB, GB, TB, etc. Then we are defining the function process logs next. This is the function to process the Nginx log files. Here first it will check the log path, then initialize the dictionaries. Here it will initialize the dictionaries to count the or define some variables to store the summary statistics. This will count the IP occurrences, static ports, then referrals, bytes in, and IPs with. Then the next is CSV writing. This will open the output CSV file and writes the header row. This one is for CSV writing. Then next is log processing. This will open the each log and processes each line to extract the fields using the regular expressions here, and it then writes these fields to the CSV file and updates the summary statistics. Then in the summary statistics, in output, you will see the total number of log entries, then total number of unique IP addresses, then the number of unique status codes. You will see the total byte sets, then top 10 IP addresses by request count, then top 10 status codes by count, and top 20 IP addresses with status code 403 and top 10 referrals by count. This will be printed in the CSV file. And lastly is our main block. The main block is just the ARG parse to handle the command line arguments. Here the log path. This is the path to the log file or directory, and the output file is a part to the output CSV file. So let's save this Python code. Press Ctrl+X, then Shift+R, hit enter. After this, let's run our script. So let's copy this command. Here you can see I have given the log path where my Nginx log files are, and this is the output.csv file where you can give the path to the directory where you want to create the CSV file. So let's set up this command. So as you can see, it returns us the total number of log entries, then the unique IP addresses, status code, top 10 addresses, then top 10 status codes, top 20 IP addresses, and top 10 referrals by count. You can even visit the output.csv file. Just print nano output.csv. Please note that that you need to give the complete path to your CSV file. As you can see, IP timestamp, method URL, status byte, same, referrer, and user element printed in the CSV file. So today we have learned how to write a Python script to parse the Nginx log files. So parsing Nginx logs using the Python script can provide the valuable insights into the web traffic and server performance. And this script, which we have seen today, simplifies the process by extracting the relevant fields from the Nginx logs and writing them to the CSV file, like total number of log entries and orders, which we have written in the Python script. And with these steps, you can efficiently analyze your web server logs, and you can even get the understanding of your web traffic and server behavior. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.